Alright, today we're going to review the imperfect tense. Now, if you remember, the imperfect tense is another form of the past tense, whereas the preterite is simple. We have that ed ending, something that was completed. The imperfect we can use to express a couple different things. So when exactly do we use the imperfect tense? We use it with actions that were ongoing, reoccurring, or incomplete in the past. So please make sure that you fill your notes out now. Alright, now let's talk about our endings. Now I know my notes are a little bit different than what your notes look like, so please make sure that you fill them out correctly. The yo form, our ending is aba. The tu form is abas. El, ella, and usted is aba. The nosotros form is abamos. Notice we've got an accent over that first A. The vosotros form is habáis, no accent there. Ellos, ellas, and ustedes haban. So, for example, yo merendaba could mean I used to have a snack or I was having a snack. It's important to notice that merendar is a stem changer in the present tense, but not in the preterite or the imperfect. In the imperfect tense, we do not have any stem changers, so the imperfect is a lot less complicated than the preterite tense. So no stem changers in the imperfect tense. ER and IR verbs, notice they have the exact same endings. Yo ia, tú ias, él, ella, and usted ia, nosotros íamos, vosotros iáis, ellos, ellas, and ustedes ian. Notice with our ER and IR verbs, all of them have an accent on the first I. So, for example, ellos conducían could mean they used to drive or they were driving. Now, our irregulars in the imperfect tense, there are only 3 of them. Our ir, which would mean they used to go or were going, is iba, ibas, iba, íbamos, ibáis, and iban. Notice that there's an accent on the nosotros form on that I. Our ser conjugations, era, eras, era, éramos, accent on the I, erais, and eran. And then ver, if you'll notice, ver is irregular because if we took off the ending, then it would just, the ER ending, then it'd just be yeah, yeah, yes. So it's easy to remember, it's just, you add the E with the ER endings. So, veía, veías, veía, veíamos, veíais, and veían. Alright. Notice we only have 3 irregulars in the imperfect tense, and there are no funky stems or stem changers or anything like that, so it's simplified. Alright, so let's get some practice going. Alright, here are 5 practice problems. So what I would like for you to do now is to write that conjugation on your notes. So how would you say in Spanish, we were having a snack. He used to get seasick. I used to watch the sunset. We used to get together, and you all were picking up and were in Spain. So push pause and practice those 5 conjugations now. Alright, let's see how you did. Your answer should be merendabas, se meriaba, veía la puesta del sol, nos reuníamos, and recogíais. So that's the imperfect tense, pretty simple. The important thing is that you know those conjugations. We will continue to work with practice the conjugations, and then shortly we're going to talk about when to use the preterite tense and when to use the imperfect tense. So please make sure that you write down any questions that you may have, and we will practice this in class next time we see you.